The ITT Technical Institute will stop operating tomorrow. The for-profit college chain is shutting down all 130 of its campuses. The move affects more than 35,000 students, including about 850 locally. The Indiana-based company's main lender recently seized ITT's bank accounts. Last month, federal education officials banned the company from enrolling new students who use federal financial aid. The Education Department says the company had become a risk to students and taxpayers. And in response, Cincinnati State is unveiling its plan for action for former ITT Tech students. The college is hosting a series of information sessions for those who want to continue their education at Cincy State. Tuition there is $149 per credit hour compared to $493 for ITT Tech. The next session is Tuesday from 9 to 6:30. Prospective students can learn about registration, academic programs, and financial